Hey guys, welcome back today. Today we have a 2-for-1 deal, because you can't build Optimus without building Bumblebee. At least that's my opinion. Well, let's see what we have. With Optimus, instructions. Four bags, display plates, robot, and truck instructions. All right, now Bumblebee. Looks like exactly the same. We've got robot and VW bug books, display plates, and 4 bags. So all right, well, we'll come back after the build and have a little chat.
If you catch my drift. Feet right next to me, come on.
Alright guys, well, we are done with the build. So there's not much to talk about on this one. There's no stickers. That's what I thoroughly enjoyed. The Autobot and the windshield are both printed on Bumblebee, plus his forehead piece and his Autobot emblem there. Another awesome part, inside their heads, instead of using a pink 4x4 block, they use two pink transparent clear or transparent pink pieces to make a Cybertron brain for these guys. Plus it just makes me happy that they included the vehicle and the robot, so you didn't have to go buy two different kits. But really that's all on this one, so just remember the usual: like, comment, subscribe. See you later.